Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, Kaylee, Dearest, Chase, and I are at Red Rock Falls County Park, and those two are being 12 behind us.
Doing their own thing.
Double date! Yeah. So right here is the other waterfall. As you can see, it's barely flowing.
Tell me when you're done.
It is a really pretty area though.
There's my best friend.
Just imagine it's actually flowing. This is a really pretty, like, hidden gem in the middle of complete nowhere. So next to this one is Mound Creek. They're super close to each other. This one did have more promising for flow, water flow. Mound Creek, on this type of year, I don't know how much of a flow it'll have. So let's hope. Plus, it's 5:20 something, and since it's like a 7:20 something, so we have like 2 hours of sunlight. So let's just hope we get this quick. The gang, my little friend group. I am sorry if my video isn't the best today. I'm still trying to get back into the swing of filming since it has been a month since I last filmed anything. I took about a month break from filming, and with this video, you can really tell I'm just trying to get back into the swings of things.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto 460th Avenue, 490th Avenue.
It's kind of weird because when I'm like this,
I thought you were taking a
you're in the video, so now I'm doing this. What?
I thought you were taking a picture.
Oh no. We are now on our way to Mound Creek, which is 5 minutes
Take
away.
the next right onto 400.
Golden hour. Golden hour.
What a breathtaking waterfall that is. Just the best waterfall I've ever seen. Like, wow. Wow, 10 out of 10. My new favorite waterfall.
Yeah, it's drier than a fart.
Both my fingers on the way. Yeah, so this is the waterfall at Mound Creek. And as you can tell, it's not flowing, like, at all. And it looks like it hasn't been flowing in a while from how dry it is. So Kind of sucks. We'll have to come back in the spring when the snow melts. So hopefully there's actually some type of flow. But at least one place worked out today. 2.5 hour drive for this. So this is the end of our mini day trip. It was really pretty parks. We're definitely gonna come back to both of these parks in the spring for hopefully more of a flow for the waterfalls. But I hope you guys enjoyed the pictures. I'm sorry there's not much talking. This is a short video. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Bye! So as we're driving, I completely forgot to add this to my video.
The sun looks really cool.
From now on, starting this video, I'll only be posting videos every Wednesday at 5 p.m. Central Time. I'll no longer be posting videos twice a week. I've been finding out it's just been too much of a hassle for me.
Your subscribers are crying right now.
It's too much of a hassle to film, edit, and also take care of a toddler and a husband and all that stuff. So from now on, it'll only be Wednesdays. I'll be posting videos.
Take care of a husband.
Well, I also, it's difficult with my work schedule too.
That too.
What is your hair right now? Holy fuck.
I don't know.
Totally. So anyways, so that is my new schedule.
leave it.
Letting you guys, just giving you a heads up about why I did not post yesterday.
Yeah.